Shinshiv, Smisha Gillespie Bachgerigish. I'm Gillespie Ferguson, your Scottish Gaelic speech coach, here to help you get rid of English words and sounds from your Scottish Gaelic. And as you can see, it's a gorgeous evening here in the Isle of Skye, and the sun is going down. Ha agrian at Olfoa. Agrian, the sun. That's a tricky one. I hear various permutations of that. Something like agreeing, like you're agreeing with something, but it takes a bit of practice because it's this GH sound that's tricky. We have two sounds of GH in Gaelic, and GHR is always the tricky sound, the broad sound. It doesn't matter what vowel follows it. So here it's a slender vowel, GHRIAN, and but it's still the broad sound of GH. Agrian. So again, it's the G position, G, 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 and we're pushing over it. We're sliding into it. G, G, G. Agrian. IA is a diphthong, sliding vowel, very short. Agrian. Agrian. Ha agrian adolfo. For more tips on how to get rid of English words and sounds from your Scottish Gaelic, subscribe to my channel.